So this is a Keenz 7S model. Oh, wait, hold on. Can you fold it? I want to see how easy it to fold. The wheels are really big though, huh? But you say it could go on dirt?
You have to buy, there's another one where the wheels are thicker for dirt.
Oh, but this is good for sand. And what about like for hiking? Is it good for hiking too?
I don't know. Jared, wanna go sit here? Come on. Sit here, let's see. I wanna see you sit here. Hold this. Feet off. Can you sit here? I wanna see you sit here.
Okay, let's put this away for a little bit.
No, let him. Can you sit here? Oh, you gonna take this out? Okay.
Do you like it?
Let's check this out.
Oh, not your shirt, please. Just your jacket only, okay? Oh, there's a 5 harness. 5-point harness.
What happened? Oh, you need a diaper change, huh?
Okay, take him out. Okay, what about what other stuff does it come with this thing?
I'm not done yet. Sit. Sit. 1, 2, 3. Ugh.
Want to put Jordan on here too?
No.
Jared.
Huh? Click.
You like it? Okay. Oh, you can push on both ends.
Yeah, you can push or pull. This, right here, pull.
Oh. Do you like it, Jared? Is it really smooth?
You can try it.
Let's
It
see.
is.
Hi, Jared. Oh yeah, pretty easy. It's kind of bulky though, I think.
It is bulky, but for 2, comfortable.
Okay. You say it comes with a canopy too? Can you put it on?
Let's see.
Is that for the canopy?
Yes. I think this is furthest it can go. You have to press and pull.
Press. Oh, okay. I can't really press and pull with one hand. I can press. Okay. Okay. Pull. Okay. Here, this one too. Okay. You like it, Jared?
Good.
High five. Thumbs up. Subscribe to my mommy. See mommy. Channel.
There's the canopy. Optional canopy.
So we just got this today. We saw the review today and it seems pretty cool. We have so many wagons, but none of it really does the job to really cover the kids. And the other one breaks down, right? The one that we have. What's the brand? I forgot.
Nothing has broken down yet.
No, the wheels. Remember, it was squeaky.
Nothing has broken down yet.
Okay, well, it didn't break down, but it's squeaky. Oh, it covered on the side too, huh?
Yes.
Jared, come on. Hi, Jared. Wow, for privacy, it covers everything.
Hi,
Hi, Jared. You like it? Okay, we can open this. We want sunlight peeking through, or we want to see the kids. We can open it a little bit for airiness. Yeah?
Too good for them to sleep, huh?
And you said this also breaks too, right?
What do you mean brakes?
No, like lock.
Yep, here's a lock right here.
Oh, okay. For safetyness. Yeah. It works. This is the pouch. This is a pouch for cooler, right? Where's the cooler bag?
Right here. That's your place in down there. That's a cooler bag.
It's good size. Good
Put
size
there.
cooler bag. You can put it right here. Put milk, drinks in here for the kids. And you can put snacks in there too. Oh, this is good for like picnicking, because you can just put some sandwich in there. And off you go. You like it, Jared? Thumbs up?
Okay.
I guess he likes it.